You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Austrian writer, author. If you want to learn more names from German and literature more generally, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You want to learn from German pronunciation or Austrian, which is speak German in Austria. Stefan Zweig. Stefan Zweig. Therefore, in English, you could say Stefan, but it should be said more as Stefan Zweig. How to pronounce Stefan Zweig. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.